let's shift back to first alert weather and bring David back in. We were just talking about the normal high for this time of year is about upper 70s, which is really pleasant. It's about to get warm compared to that, right? Midweek.
There's always a little bit of this, and this midweek we're going to go up for sure. 90, 92 degrees in some areas. Nothing unheard of. You remember last June we had some hot days as well, but you will need the AC a couple days from now. Here's what we're tracking. Temperatures start to warm a little tomorrow, but we're also tracking some wildfire smoke blowing in from Canada. Wednesday, there it is, 90 plus in some areas. Summer-like heat. Late this week, wet weather, though, returns with multiple rounds of showers and thunderstorms. Air quality was a real problem for us late last week. Right now, it's actually quite good across Chicago, but tonight and tomorrow, only a slight degrading of our air quality down to moderate. That doesn't mean we have to adjust our outdoor plans at all, as it looks right now. If the smoke thickens up, though, we will let you know if the air quality takes a bigger hit. Otherwise, temperatures tomorrow, right about on target for this time of the year. Mid to upper 70s, very nice day, aside from the wildfire haze. On Wednesday, though, here we go. Sunshine and blowtorch southwest winds. 90 degrees in the Loop, 91 in Joliet, even a little warmer than that down in places like Grundy and Kankakee counties. After a hot Wednesday, though, we are welcoming in storm chances starting on Wednesday evening and continuing on and off Thursday, Friday into Saturday. These will be rotating around a big ridge of high pressure to our southwest. We call these ridge runners sometimes, and this can actually be a setup for occasional severe weather during June and July. So something that we'll have to watch in addition to the wetter weather that we expect later this week. The models will still be going up and down as we get a better focus on the wet weather coming our way. But as we think right now, from now through Saturday evening, we could easily see a ½ inch to 1 inch of rain. And if some of the heavier stuff sets up as we think it will, over an inch will be expected in some areas. So we'll keep you advised. Tonight, clearing skies, 56 degrees, a nice nearly full moon, about 97% full. Late tomorrow night, you'll see a completely full moon, hopefully under clear skies. Tomorrow, 78 degrees, dry and warm. There will be a little bit of haze, though, from the Canadian smoke. 89 degrees, even warmer south of the city, but then a couple storms are possible late on Wednesday. Strong storms possible, about a 50% coverage of rain on Thursday. Then rain becomes even more likely at times on Friday into Saturday. Father's Day weekend, not a washout, though. As it looks right now, Sunday is actually mainly dry and a little bit cooler by the lake. So if you have outdoor plans, I think Sunday is the day to plan on. We will keep you advised, though, if things change.
Grill with Dad.
Yes, that's right.
David, thanks.
Happy Father's Day to you.
Thank you.